Hello everyone, let's learn one of the important topic from your NEET biology syllabus, that is respiration in higher plants. And today we are going to learn the respiration, the exchange of gases at cellular level. All of you know that mitochondrion, it is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Why it is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Because the ATPs are produced inside the mitochondria, and whenever and wherever there is requirement of ATP in various physiological processes in the cell, the energy is spent in the form of ATP. So ATP is nothing but the energy currency of the cell, and the production of ATP occurs inside the mitochondria. All of you know each eukaryotic cell, it consists of mitochondria in the cell. And why it is known as the powerhouse? Because the entire machinery which is required for production of ATP is available in the mitochondria. You will see that it is a double membrane structure which consists of the outer membrane, which is a smooth and continuous, inner membrane, which is thrown into finger-like projections, and it has some particles which are known as the oxysomes or the F1 particles. And the material inside the inner mitochondrial membrane, the fluid, it is known as the matrix of the mitochondria, which also consists of number of enzymes required for the Krebs cycle, which is the second step in your cellular respiration process. And this reaction of respiration, all of you know, C6H12O6 reacts with 6 molecules of oxygen to form 6 CO2 plus 6 water molecules, and there is release of a large amount of energy. A part of that energy is used to make ATP, and remaining is lost as heat energy. So energy is released. It is an exergonic reaction in which a part of that produced energy is used to make ATP by the ETS. The enzymes required for the ETS, they are available on the inner mitochondrial membrane, and remaining it is lost as the heat energy. So this entire reaction, conversion of glucose, oxidative process, involves oxygen converts glucose into CO2 and water molecules, and energy is released. It is an exergonic reaction, and it does not occur all of a sudden. It takes place in 3 steps, and that are the glycolysis. Second one, it is the Krebs